Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to introduce you to a new product that we're adding to our website. And that is one which is supposed to help reduce the cost of your consumables. So for those of you who don't know, Steven is now tracking on my old AP Racing brake kit. With all the price increases that we've incurred in the past year and a half due to inflation, these AP Racing discs, so he runs a 372 by 34 rotor with the 9660 competition caliper. These J-hook discs are not very affordable anymore. They're around $1,100 for the pair. So what we've done is we have managed to find an alternative replacement. So we have a disc right here. So this disc is the exact same size. It actually fits the SX hat for the Tesla. So it's a direct replacement, same number of vanes, so 72 directional vanes. And it is a 372 by 34, like I mentioned. We also have replacement hardware. So from AP, they don't sell the bobbins, so you can only buy the bolts and washers and stuff. It's about 40 bucks. It's 35 bucks. So over here, we have actually replacement bobbins available on the website in case you do need to replace the bobbins. But we also have the bolt hardware and nut kit, which is 40 bucks. So you also get the nuts with this replacement kit. Now, AP, I believe, publishes this rotor. It's a worn down rotor, so I don't have new weight on it, but I believe AP indicates this is a 19.1 pound rotor. This rotor here is about 20.5 pounds, so it is a heavier rotor, but it's substantially less expensive. $720 for the pair versus $1,100 for the pair. The hardware is also less expensive. So if you guys do need replacement rotors or discs for your AP Racing kits for your Teslas, please, check out our website. We have options there. We're working on trying to reduce the cost of consumables. The guys are just ripping through rotors. We've already replaced one set of discs on the car. This one is actually going on our buddy's car. So this was something that he had been hunting for and could not find an affordable replacement. After a lot of deep diving, we did find one, and we are now putting it on our website. We're hoping he'll get to the track soon to give some feedback on how it's working in comparison to his AP J-hook rotor. The other thing I wanted to add is that the direction that these slots point does not indicate the side of the vehicle that this rotor should go on. So the rotors are marked over here. In fact, there is a marking here that will show you the rotation. That rotation is determined by the actual vanes itself, not by the slot. So some companies will have these slots pointing in the opposite direction than this. So make sure you always look at the rotation that's marked by the manufacturers. And yeah, that's about it. You just got to make sure you follow the instructions. Always read your instructions. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All these products are on our website, zevcentric.com. Thanks for watching.